Hello, we are Group 5, and my name is Sophia, and my teammates are Jimena, Daniel, and Rahul. Today, we're going to talk about the three different theories of communication we applied in our PSA: the elaboration likelihood model, the theory of planned behavior, and the theory of reasoned action.
The elaboration likelihood model, which was developed by Richard E. Petty and John T. Cacioppo, essentially explains how a message's success depends on how audience members may perceive it. We chose to take the central route, also called the elaborated route, which includes providing information, arguments, and evidence that touch upon doubts students may have before pursuing a semester abroad.
We decided to use this theory because we believe our audience of BU students would be more likely to participate in a program when there is more information out there to help them make decisions.
We interviewed Margaret Lucas, Senior Manager for Study Abroad at BU, and used her responses in our PSA to provide the best possible information to students who are uninformed about studying abroad at BU. This will also increase the ethos of our PSA since staff members are responsible to know everything about the study abroad programs.
A key factor of this theory is understanding your audience before crafting a persuasive message. We decided to learn a little bit about the BU community's opinions and beliefs regarding studying abroad. We made a survey and shared it with BU students to receive feedback and then proceeded with our persuasive messages.
From the 65 students we surveyed, 35 said they had not studied abroad. Out of those 35, only 8 said they had not considered it, and 27 said they had. In this survey, we found that the biggest concerns among students about studying abroad were cost, locations available, and different types of study abroad programs. We decided then to implement the central route of the elaboration likelihood model by providing information about locations, types of programs, and cost.
The theory of planned behavior is a theory that goes a little beyond the elaboration likelihood model and persuades someone to feel a specific way. The theory of planned behavior aims to actually change someone's behavior. While the theory is derived from the theory of reasoned action, it has two key additions: self-efficacy and controllability.
Self-efficacy means that a person needs to believe that they are capable of performing the behavior. Controllability recognizes that things are sometimes out of your control. The theory states that in order to successfully change someone's behavior, you need to provide attitudinal, social norm, and controllability incentives.
What we found from our survey data was mainly that people had a lot of misconceptions about studying abroad with BU. For example, a lot of students thought that the cost of studying abroad was greater than that of a semester at the Charles River campus. We decided that by clarifying these misconceptions about cost and other aspects of study abroad through our interviews, that we would give them a greater sense of control and self-efficacy.
When it comes to social norms, the theory of planned behavior argues that an individual's behavioral intentions are shaped by the people they value within their social network. We believe that if this PSA helps to change people's negative misconceptions about study abroad, they will consequently change their peers' negative misconceptions as well.
By applying these theories in our PSA, we think more BU students will be better informed, and in turn, more students will study abroad.